How to use CapCut music without getting copyright. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you use CapCut music without getting copyright. So let's get started. On this process, after you open the project on CapCut, you'll get such interface. So from the bottom, you'll have to just click on the sound, and now from the sound section, there are a lot of sounds and music which you can add on your CapCut project. So CapCut will allow all of the free copyrighted music on CapCut. So there is no any requirement to check for the copyright on CapCut, but you should be care about while uploading or while exporting the external source like from your device or any other sources. You'll have to just check for the copyright issues on that sound. So on the CapCut will provide you the copyright free music on here, so you can easily add it from here. And if you want to export or add the music from external source, you'll have to just check that sound whether it's copyright free or not. So you have to just get the permission from the owner. So for that, you'll have to just check for the external source. And although you can easily use the copyright free music from the CapCut application, so in this way you can confirm and use CapCut music without getting copyright. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.